MAPEI's new grout palette features a mix of old favorites and a dozen hot new selections. A hard-driving guitar riff echoes in our rock collection. Or maybe a more relaxing vibe is in order. MAPEI's Chill Out collection is a relaxing genre of grout colors encompassing our coolest hues. The blue and gray tones are sure to transport your mood to tranquil spaces. Like light dancing on raves, igniting your creativity. Our disco collection features iridescent, glittering hues designed to spin magic into your world. And if your vibe is less sparkle and more hip, no problemo, daddy-o. The retro collection captures the easy hipness of a timeless era. The shades in the high energy collection will refresh any environment and make you feel like dancing the night away. Our country collection evokes the sound of bluegrass music, the whisper of a breeze wafting the smell of cookies, while a guitar plays from the kitchen radio. Comfort. Home. No matter your vibe, MAPEI's new palette will sing to your mood.